What is up, everybody? We're back with another video. Welcome back, welcome back. Got another vlog here going on today. Yeah, we are headed to Harbor Freight to get a few goodies. We got a nice little tool roller cart wheel seat thing that we bought that I'm gonna be using to fill up with tools for working on the bike, stuff at the house. And they got a lot of deals going on right now. As a lot of people know, the hype going on right now with the Icon and the Snap-on and everything. Everyone getting all mad, whatever. So we're gonna go check that out, see if we can get some stuff. And yeah. Wanted to go over a few things here. Been getting a lot of traction on our last few videos, which I absolutely love. Keep it coming, guys. Keep dropping comments. I'll keep responding. Wanted to make a little segment here in the video on some comments that I've seen. I've seen a lot of people asking about the exhaust. A lot of people asking about if you're this size, that size, will the bike work for you? Things like that. And just different stuff about it. And for one, I want to go over, obviously I'll be making a more in-depth video once we get it, but we are looking at purchasing a full system exhaust for this and getting it tuned and everything. And a great comment as someone said, it was kind of a two-part thing, and I'll drop it up here, basically saying that he's around 6'2", and I believe it was like a little, like 200 pounds, something like that. Will he fit on this, everything like that. So I'm gonna make this clear in a video, and I will say this probably in more videos in the future. I am 6 foot flat at 170 pounds, and I can flat foot the bike no problem. The bike is a perfect size. I've also had my buddy Nate on the bike. He's about 6'1" and about, I believe, about 230, 240. Nate, don't hurt me if I got your weight wrong. But he says the bike rides good too. So, and that goes for like bigger people. This is for bigger people and coming from a bigger person as well, saying that the bike feels good. And as on that other end of that spectrum, someone being smaller, this is meant to be Kawasaki's new entry-level bike. So I believe the seat height is around 31 inches, something like that. And like I said, I can flat foot the bike. And with that being an entry-level bike, it is meant for like your entry-level person. Not saying they kind of sized it to a specific type of person, but it's more fitting, I guess you could say, for anybody, really. It's the whole idea of the bike. But here, now that we're at a stop, I can show you guys. We are absolutely flat footing it right now. No issue at all. Inside, outside, going wide, anything like that. And yeah, we're flat footing it. I am wearing some shorts. Don't be joking about my chicken legs, but yeah. Yeah, that was a great comment there on that one. And then I believe he did ask another question on the exhaust on this. The reason, and this goes to all the people that have followed due to the exhaust and me spending $60 on an exhaust. The reason I did that is because I knew that I was going to eventually spend more money on an exhaust. I'm going through this, fuck you. I was planning on spending more money on an exhaust, but the reason that I say that this exhaust is worth the price is because at the end of the day, it's $60. And if you're someone like me that doesn't like the sound of a stock bike, but doesn't want to spend $700–800 on an exhaust, like I believe the Yoshimura slip-on's like $500. Like that's absolutely ridiculous for a slip-on exhaust. And when you look at the power gains, like it's just not worth spending $500. It's not. So that's my reasoning in saying that I spent $60, and why $60 is a good price for a lot of people, because they don't want to spend that money, or they just get the bike, they just don't like the way it sounds stock. They want to get something where it sounds good, but they're not wasting all this money on it. And that's why the $60 exhaust is great. Yeah, granted, the quality of it isn't the best, and as you can see, the tip of it is already actually starting to melt. But it's what you pay for. It's a $60 exhaust. It sounds better than stock. So in my eyes, it's worth the price. It's worth every penny. But to some people, they'll say, oh, it's not worth it, da 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 da, don't buy it. And that's why I'm saying it's like, it's choose your preference. It's like what you want if you're the type of person, because that's how I was at first, where I was like, well, I'm spending all this money on this bike, I want it to be good. You know what I mean? And I was like, I'm gonna get the full carbon M4 exhaust, all this nonsense, yada yada yada. And that exhaust was gonna be what was it, $700, I believe? I think it was $700. So the exhaust alone was $700, and then it's a full system exhaust, meaning is, and then I needed to get a tune. The tune is $350 just for the exhaust. So I'm looking at spending over $1,000 on a bike that I didn't even spend over $6 grand for. So it's like the margin of that, it's just like, is it really worth it? It's, to me, it's not. So that's why I didn't go and do that yet. Eventually I will. But as for like just to start out, like, that's why I got the $60 exhaust. Yeah, we are getting over here and we are cooking it, baby. Yeah. Getting a little tucky tuck. And I mean, here's what I gotta say there. I mean, the bike just kind of showed itself. I mean, I went from cruising with everyone, so I mean, the bike gets out of its way, you know. It's not like, oh man, I'm on the highway, I can't keep up with traffic, or I can't get away from people. You can 100% get away from people on this bike. But we're getting off onto a whole nother tangent here, and I'm just kind of blabbing. So we are actually getting up here close. Oh, brake, brake, brake. We are actually getting up here close to Harbor Freight, so we will be in shortly. I think I am actually going to take you guys in with me to Harbor Freight, just because I don't give a fudge. Why is this guy going so slow? Go faster, go faster, go faster, go faster. And when you drive so slow, get your butt moving. Come on, bro. I want to get my tools. Oh, it's a 2-pack, 12-pack, for $2. Thank you. Thank you. The store is amazing. I love it. It's like mechanics like Amazon. It's great. Love it. Love it. Oh god. Oh dude, I've been needing this for work. Yeah, let me get that. Yeah, yeah. Oh dude. Oh dude. So what? What you ride? Ninja 500. Yeah. Thank you.
A 500?
Yep.
What's the fastest it go? Still like 80, 90?
No, I got it up to about like 120.
On the 500?
Yeah.
Wow. That's nice.
Yeah.
My wife let me have a bike. Give me my own business.
Yeah, dude. That's like the, like, I don't even know. This a lot of people now have been giving me compliments on the bike. I like it. Like random people when I'm out. I was gonna say like 5th person, but like it's been more than that. Gets a lot of attention. I think bikes in general just get attention from people. Also too, when you're wearing a big bulky helmet around in a store, people tend to ask. I had 3 people ask me there while I was in the store what I rode and everything. It's funny. It's funny. Haha. That guy really said, he goes, man, that thing's nice. He said, what it do? Like 90? Nah, brother. Nah, dude. This thing do about $120. He said, oh, $120. Oh. Alrighty guys, that is going to do it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure to drop a comment, subscribe if you are new. We are doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers if you are not aware, so definitely hit that follow button. Go over to the Instagram, check that out. That's where we will be doing the drawings for the giveaway at 500 subscribers. Going to be giving away a few gift cards, things like that, so definitely stay tuned for that. And without further ado, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, as always, I will catch you all in the next one. Peace out, guys. Love y'all.